My name is Philip Richards. I live in Ipswich, and I came to Benenden back in June 2024 to have my ROSA knee operation. The symptoms I was suffering before I had the surgery was I'm quite a keen walker, ballroom dancing, and it was getting increasingly difficult to walk any distance. I couldn't keep up with my friends, and I also found that if I walked any distance by myself, I'd have to stop every 400 or 500 yards just to rest the knee just for a couple of minutes before I could set off again. I have been to Benenden before, back in 2022 for a minor operation. I was very impressed with the facilities. I'd only used it once before just for a consultation, and yeah, very impressed with the service, so I thought, yeah, that would be the place to have it done. So my initial consultation was in Ipswich, and that was all arranged by Benenden Healthcare through my membership. Had some x-rays done there, saw a consultant, said the knee has got to be replaced. And then I thought, well, I'd check on Benenden itself for the operation because I was so impressed with some previous care, and looked at the options on the website. The reason I went for the ROSA option is, well, I'm a bit of a techie anyway, so seeing that robot was going to be involved, and I thought, well, that seems to be the way forward. And the other reason is they said with the ROSA operation, it should be a faster recovery with less pain. And I thought, well, that's got to be a bonus. And the actual price for it was still less than just having the basic operation at the Nuffield Ipswich. I was in recovery for a while, where a nurse just kept an eye on me as I was coming round. Once they were happy with my recovery, then I was put back into to my room again, and I had various people sort of pop in. Matthew Oliver popped in himself to tell me how the operation went. It was an overnight stay because the operation was later in the afternoon. Before you're discharged, you have to see the physio anyway, and they check on your use with the crutches, make sure you can walk up some stairs, so they basically have to sign you off before they're going to let you go. I think all the staff were very friendly and helpful, very professional in in every job they did. Surroundings at Benenden Hospital were very pleasant. It just a very relaxing environment. When I came back here and saw Mr. Oliver, he checked the knee, said yes, it's healing well. Checked on the actual degree of movement to see if I'm getting the full movement back, and he was very pleased with that. And he said, you can come back here again for another follow-up if you wish, but I said, no, I'm very happy with my progress, and he said, well, fair enough, you're signed off. I was feeling the real benefit just after about 3 months doing the exercises, and I felt back to normal. And I might have some pain when I did walk, but it was a different pain. It didn't stop me from walking. Just a slight nagging feeling. And now I'm back into leading my country walks with friends, and trying to get back into my ballroom dancing. You pay a little bit more for the ROSA operation, and I know everyone's recovery is different, but one of my friends, he had his knee replacement the day after mine, and it still hasn't fully recovered, 9 months in, where my recovery was, well, virtually complete after 3 months. Yes, I did use the mobility app. It was good because it made sure you did your exercise every day. And I also knew from what Mr. Oliver said was that he would be checking on me. So I made sure I did my exercises regularly. I've joined the patient loyalty scheme because that can actually give you money off towards consultancies or even an operation, so it can come in handy in the future.